just got to Granville. Never been here before. Pretty intoxicated. Hey guys, where do I go for the parties and shit?
Parties?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
No, I'm asking, where do I go? I've never been here.
Roxy Sunday. Roxy Sunday.
That's what.
Best place to go on Sunday.
Where's it at?
Right here.
That's where I call my
camera.
Damn. All right, sounds good. I'll see you guys in there. Where are you guys from? You guys live here?
Yeah, I live here, yeah.
I live in LA.
Oh, right on, nice.
Yeah, so I just met these guys. These guys are cool peeps. What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob.
Hunter.
We fucking got wild last night. No, that's cool though. Are you guys born out here?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Good question, bro. I just got here yesterday, and my flight, like the options were just horrible for tomorrow. Like 7 a.m. flight.
Really?
I'm not booking that.
Not having it tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm not booking that. It's red like the color.
Red?
So I just pulled up to the Roxy's. You got girls wearing cowboy hats. Yeah. So tell me a little about this place.
Okay, what's this interview for?
It's not an interview, it's just me talking to people.
Of course.
Yeah, but no. So you think I'm gonna like get fucked up if I go in?
No.
They don't.
No.
Alright. Cause you know, like, it's like saying country to me is like I gotta think of all the factors. But like, I mean, this is Canada where people are.
I know. Exactly. It's good to be like socially aware and like be aware of the shit that's going on.
But the thing, I have never seen like homeless people overdosing in the street like I saw.
East Van?
I don't know where
I
don't know where they took me through, but I just know. And even the Airbnb, they told me they're like, well, when you leave, they're like, when you leave, stay to the right, don't go to the left.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
No, 100%.
Yeah, and so like, but like my group.
Standard.
Yeah. So are you guys gonna be in there or what?
Of course.
So what's your? And like, she's wearing cowboy boots.
It's country night. You gotta get into it.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Look, all these girls here are wearing fucking cowboy hats. This is the Roxy in Vancouver. First time here. I'm gonna find out if they like black people inside or not. Hey bro.
LA! Hey Will.
You're here now.
Do you want to help this guy?
Now you're here. I know this guy.
Hey bro.
Cool, thanks bro.
How many are you?
Just one, bro.
Okay.
But yeah, really easy.
Probably will give you one. You're so nice.
I feel like a woman. I feel like a man. Woo! So I'm inside of the Roxy. There's a lot of rockers. Hi, girls.
Hi.
You guys want to be in the video?
I'd love to. Maybe my cool shades.
So, we're here in this bullshit-ass line.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Maple Ridge.
Canadian guys. Hop, skip, and a jump.
Expensive Uber home.
But actually, no. I've been confused about the areas here. Like, I understand the provinces. Like, that's different. But then, like, also, like, so for instance, there's, well, I don't know where I'm at. I'm downtown Vancouver,
Yes.
essentially.
Yes.
And then there's like Langley,
Yeah.
there's Surrey.
We're just across the bridge from Langley. So we're like super close.
But I'm saying these things, but I don't really know where they are.
Doesn't really matter though.
Yeah.
The maps are for.
Yeah.
should
So,
be.
yeah, I just got here yesterday.
Welcome to downtown Vancouver.
I really like you guys, though. You guys are cool.
Like you too.
Yeah, you guys are dope. And it's fun in there. Where'd you guys come from?
Over there.
What's over there?
That train station. McDonald's.
Oh, train station. Okay, cool. Oh, damn. Hold on, let me go talk to them. Sugar's bad. What's up, fam? Rastaman. Bomba clock.
You good?
Bomba clock of that fatty.
You're looking good with the tripod, man.
I appreciate you.
How you doing?
I'm Nigerian. What are you? Where are you from?
I'm from the Caribbean, Grenada.
Grenada.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What about you?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Do
Nice to
you
meet you, my
usually
brother.
lock it or you just keep it
No,
running?
th-
The RCS 3 and I have my camera.
There you
I got
go.
The Sony camera A7 III.
that's heavy.
Heavy duty.
That's heavy.
Heavy duty.
I'll see you, bro.
Don't worry, man.
Yep.
You have Instagram or what?
No. I deleted it. I deleted it. Vlogging. Yeah. Oh, this is a strip club. Damn, do I want to fucking do that right now? I don't think so. Fairly early for the trip. Yeah, I'm vlogging. What's up? You guys want to say something? Hey, where the fuck should I go, bro? I'm lost.
Yo, go anywhere.
I don't know where I'm at. I just left the Roxy, right?
How is it? How is it?
It's cool. They gave me a stamp, you know?
Oh, shit.
There's like
Hella
there's
host there? Hella host there?
there's a lot of shorties in there.
Oh, okay.
But, you know, like, so what's the next best thing? I mean, hey, yeah.
You vlogging?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out my next fucking spot to hit. Yeah.
What's your vlogging channel?
It's Red Fox. Hey, Brewers! Hey, Brewers! hey, fucking Brewers! Hey, Brad! My name's Red. Red like the color.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Blem? Are you guys Blem right now? Yeah? Where are you guys headed to?
Where's Good Cool?
I don't know. You tell me. Let's go. Where are you from? Pakistan.
Yeah.
And then what about you?
Iran.
Russia? Oh, Iran. Persian.
Yeah.
Salam, shatori. Yektose, Sharpan, Yeah.
Who taught you that? Oh my god.
Yeah. I live in LA, so you know.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of Persians in LA.
There are Persians everywhere.
Yeah. So, where's the next place you're going to? What is it called?
Where's the next place you're going?
Red like the color.
That's me.
My God.
Love you, bro. I'll see you soon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I was already at the Roxy. You're going. You said Pep Goodco?
Good Cool, yeah.
Where
we'll
is
see
it?
you at Roxy later on.
Yeah.
We'll see you.
You won't see me. You won't see me. Yeah, let's walk in together. Who's getting married?
Oh,
Yo, I'm with the Brewers right now.
let's fucking
This is gang shit.
Rugby?
This is gang shit. They said don't.
You ever
they
play
said,
rugby?
They said don't come to Canada. There's a lot of gangs here.
Let's go golf.
Rugby?
I'm affiliated now.
Hey, we found a new media guy.
But where are you guys going?
Roxy.
Oh, okay, cool.
What's your name?
Red. Yeah, I was just there.
Red?
Yeah, red like the color. Black ginger.
R-E-D, like Shawshank Redemption.
Exactly. I'm a black ginger natural.
I'm Cam. Nice to meet you.
Cam?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
What are you doing out here? What's up? What's the occasion?
Vlogging?
Just chilling?
Just getting
Chilling?
content.
You got a YouTube
Hell yeah.
on?
Getting content before I send it back to Colombia.
YouTube or what?
You got that stamp?
You got the what?
The Roxy stamp?
Yeah. Yeah.
What about the stamp this way?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait. So what did you guys win, bro?
So we played baseball. We played junior men's for Tawasin. I don't know if you ever heard of that town
You a pitcher?
before?
You look like a fucking pitcher. You look like a pitcher.
He's actually nasty.
This guy looks like a fuck. Looks
This
like
guy's
you look
nasty.
like you throw 90, bro.
This guy throws 90 poo.
Yeah.
This guy throws 90 poo.
I touch it. No
I
doubt.
wish I could show you the cup for the fucking vlog right now.
So what did you guys win, bro? I'm so confused.
Come in with us. Come in with us.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, man, it's got buttoned up for a couple of bucks.